In this tutorial, I want to show you how we can handle arc event called LV event value change. I created a GUI with 3 arcs. As you can see, arc 1, arc 2, and multiple. Arc 1, when I move it, will update the value of arc 2. Arc 2, when I move it, I'll capture the event and update arc 1. And this one, arc multiple, when I move it, it will show you the LV event changed event as well as other events that are fired. An arc has 3 parts. It's got the background arc, the indicator arc, and the knob. So if you run this, you can see this whole thing is the background arc, and as you move the knob, that's the indicator arc, and this is the knob. Now that we have the UI, we need to generate the glue code. So this is the C files that are generated to represent this GUI. Save, build. Once build is done, go to the EEZ project, source, UI, copy all the C files that are generated, generate a Arduino sketch with the same name, and paste it. The way we register the event is we call this method, and then we pass in the object that will generate the event handler name, which event to handle, and optionally another GUI element like a label, button, etc. to update. In this case, we just pass in a label that is at the center of the arc to show the value. We have registered the event handlers. I will just show you what one of them will do. Value change arc event arc1 underscore cv. So what that is doing is just simply logging that it's been called. The object that generated this event and the label we passed in, this label, and then simply when we generate the event on arc1, we're just updating arc2, and then at the bottom we're just saying which event was generated. Similar for the event handler for arc2, getting the which object generated this event, the label that we passed. In this case, we're checking the code, which is actually the better way to do it. We check which code if the code matches our event handler only, then perform the action. So same for arc2, we are updating the arc1 labels, and then at the bottom we are just simply saying the event was generated. And for the multiple event one, where the event handler is handling more than one event, here we're using this again, getting the code, the object that generated the event, and the label to update. Here we're using a switch statement to check that if it's LV event value change, then we update the arc value, and then at the bottom we just print out the event handler. Same for event pressed, event released, etc. Now when you're ready, you just click upload. When you move arc2, you will update arc1. The other thing is value change, press it, event pressed, value change when you release it,